Welcome back to Cool Lego Kid. Today I just want to show you my truck, trailer, and lawnmower team. And subscribe. So first, we have the truck. The doors can't open. There's a seat in there, a location thing, and this is where the trailer goes. Next, we have the trailer. This is where it will hook up to the truck at. And there's a strap to keep the lawnmower on there. It has exactly 4 tires on it. 2, 4. Next we have the lawnmower. This is a 0 turn because the wheel can turn like that. So you can also adjust the blade right here without touching it. See, you can put it on low, and then when you want to raise it up, you just pick it up a little bit, take this, and put it through. And then you just raise it up. And then when you want to put it down, you just undo it, and then it drops down. And then this is the grass and mower. So you put it down, it goes on here. You put the blade down, and then it starts to move. Then it starts to move. And then how you get on the trailer is, pick the truck, bag it up, take the trailer, and then put it on there, take the lawnmower, and then take it, put it on there, take the straps, strap it. Like that. And here's the person that owns the lawnmower and the truck. It's frustrated. And that's all I have to show you all today. So, and then this video might be about, I don't know. Well, I'll see y'all get a Cool Lego tip. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.